Hi, this is Susie. Elves on Duty. This is part of my Christmas series. I'll be doing decorating some small trees. I got these trees from the dollar store. My elf tree. And I'll be showing you how I made the tree, put two together. You can get any container you'd like. And I got this foam here and put in there to put the tree in. And I got two trees. Took the bottoms off the trees. Opened them all up, but you can leave the sides flat. And what I did was I intertwined the two trees together right around that long stick in here. Just pull them together. Or you can use pipe cleaner, but I just used the branches to intertwine them together. Put them real tight. And then once they're tight together, you can stick them inside here. This is the one I intertwined together. Decorate it any way you want. And also at the Dollar Tree, in the car section, I found this cleaning cloth. It's real soft. It makes a nice tree skirt. Just put it around your tree any way you'd like. Makes a nice little skirt. And just decorate it. Then you have your tree from the dollar store. And my elf tree, I'll be doing some more if anyone wants to join me. Try doing some Dollar Tree trees with me for Christmas. Let me know and I'll put a link to your video in the bottom in the comments. Thank you so much for joining me. And thank you for watching. This is Susie. Bye-bye for now.